Now, what I'm really excited to learn a little bit more about is this new Cash Please loan, right? Where I believe it's up to $1,000 without having to undergo a hard credit check. What was the purpose of implementing this new product? And can you go over what qualifications customer has to meet in order to be able to qualify for it?
Yeah, so we realized that certain members of our community are using check cashers and payday loans. And we were trying to figure out a way to really provide a service that allowed them to avoid that. And so our Cash Please program does no credit check. Actually, we don't do a credit check at all. And it is up to $1,000. And it is a short-term loan. So you do pay it back over 90 days. You can then, after a week, you can get another one. So you have to sort of pause for a week and then you can get another one. But the idea of it is to help our community avoid check cashers, payday loans, and overdrafts. If you can see, a lot of times emergencies happen, things we don't expect. We got a flat tire, or the refrigerator broke, or even some things that are positive, like, our child got into some program that we didn't anticipate
Right.
that cost, a few $100s. And the idea of the program is to make it available quickly. The money's deposited into your account in 4 hours. So to make it available quickly and to give our community another source of funding that we deserve. I want to say that we deserve. So we have to, a lot of times we have to figure out how to do these programs. They're not programs that are typically done by banks, whether it's our secured credit card, our second chance checking account, or Cash Please. These are not programs that are done by most banks. But we see the need in our community. And the good thing is that there's enough of us here that have a lot of banking experience that we can figure out how to use banks for good. And that's really what we're doing here. Is our goal is to be, Black America's Bank. Our goal is to provide all this, as well as others,
Right.
but is to provide services that, we see are needed in our community, particularly that other banks are not providing.
Absolutely. And that's one of the things that I observed as well, because, when I was looking for banking services, I wasn't aware of a lot of the different minority depository institutions or CDFIs. Usually, you'll go based off of what you see on TV, the big banks who do a lot of marketing. But one thing I realized is that, some of those big, larger institutions, business models might not fit customers who might be just starting out, or maybe, starting from a deficit, whether it's their financial or credit journey. So it's really important for institutions, especially like One United, to offer some of these different products that are really, filling the void when it comes to financial services. So definitely applaud, all the initiatives that you have going on.